Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French step by step. Today's verb is called monte. Monte. Hindi siya montor, no? Monte. Monte means to climb or to go up. Okay, example. Elle monte l'escalier rapidement. Rapidement or rapidement. Okay? This verb is very simple, useful, and perfect for everyday actions. So, are you ready? Tara na, let's go! On y va! To conjugate the verb monter au présent with me. Monte. Monte means to climb or to go up. So how are we going to conjugate this verb au présent, the verb monter? So, je monte. Je monte. So this is OR. Donc, on couvre. We are going to cover OR and then we change it with E, OS, E, ONS, OZ, ONT. Like E, ES, E, ONS, yung EZ, tsaka yung ENT in English. Okay? So we do it. Je monte. Je monte. So I go up. Tu montes. Tu montes. Hindi siya montes, no? Tu montes. You go up. Il monte. Il monte. He goes up. Elle monte. Elle monte. She goes up. Then, on monte. On monte. O-N. On monte. We go up. Nous montons. Nous montons. That is, we go up. Vous montez. Vous montez is you go up. Et il monte, they go up. Or elle monte, yung féminin. Elle monte, so they go up. Only women, okay? Exemple. Exemple en phrase complète. Elle monte l'escalier rapidement pour ne pas être en retard. Elle monte les escaliers rapidement pour ne pas être en retard. Donc, she goes up with the stairs quickly so as not to be late. Okay? So again, we conjugate je monte, tu montes, il monte, elle monte. Nous montons, vous montez, il monte, elle monte. Okay? I hope it's clear. And bravo! So, merci beaucoup. Merci. Thank you very much for listening. And continuez à pratiquer. Keep practicing, please, to make it perfect for your French. And keep on learning. Merci beaucoup. And please don't forget to subscribe or to like at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci. Ciao, ciao. Au revoir tout le monde.